Okay, we've got a 2016 Mazda 3, which you can see has got the scheduled maintenance due light on, and also the spanner light which comes up with it. So that's telling you you've got a service due. It's very easy to reset this one, no diagnostics needed. What you will need is obviously your screen up on the dash and your button set here. So no matter where you are in here, so if you're on the radio, doesn't matter where you are, you need to press the home button and you'll get to this screen here. So first things first, so ignition on, and then get to this menu here. So you need to turn the wheel left and right, and then you're going to be pushing the center of the button here. So we turn the wheel left, into applications, push the center of the button to select that. You've then got another selection, so turning the wheel left and right, you want to highlight maintenance and select that, push the button. And again, as you can see, this schedule is run out. You can also go into tyre rotation and oil change and reset those the same way as I'm doing on this one. So we click the button to select scheduled. And as you can see at the bottom, you can then come down to reset. Again, push the button. This is asking you, are you sure you want to reset it? So we then turn the jog wheel to highlight reset, push the button again, and that's it, automatically reset. And then we go back to the main display. You'll see that the warning has disappeared from the right hand, and also the spanner's gone. And now to get back out of this, you can do this with one touch, press the home button, and you're back onto the main menu where you started. I hope that helps.